Welcome to Economics. In this video, we are going to discuss about VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. It is very important function in data analysis. We can use VLOOKUP function in Excel to search for a value in the first column of a table and return a corresponding value from another column in the same row. VLOOKUP helps to find things in a table or range vertically. The V in VLOOKUP stands for vertical. Here you can see the VLOOKUP function. It's VLOOKUP within brackets lookup value, comma table array, comma column index number, comma range lookup, close the brackets. Lookup value is the value you want to search for. Table array means the range of cells that contains the data. Column index means the column number in the table from which to retrieve the value. We use true for range lookup for approximate match and false for exact match. Let's look at it with an example. Here you have data range from A2 to C5. Here A2, here C5. Question is, you need to find the salary flow the employee with ID 2. Then we have to use this formula. VLOOKUP, comma, the lookup value is 2, employee ID number 2. Data range is A2 to C5 and column index number, the column number is 3. The salary, we need to search the salary in the salary column and we need to find the exact value, therefore we put false. Now you will get the answer 55,000, the salary of the Bob. Here, look at another example. Here you have a data set with employee ID, employee type, and monthly salary. Now, in another table, you have to find the employee type and monthly salary for the employee IDs 1012, 1018, and 1021. Let's look at how we can do it. Here we need to apply this VLOOKUP function. It's equal VLOOKUP within brackets. The lookup value, first lookup value is 1012, this one, and data range is here A2 to C27. We need to find it within this data range, and employee type we need to find it here, column number 2, and we need to find the exact value, therefore we put false. Now close the bracket and enter. Then you will get the answer in this table. You can have answers. Just check the answers. For employee ID 1012, the employee type is C and the salary is 28,000. Employee ID 1018, here the employee type is A and the salary is 71,000. Then for employee ID 1021, employee type is C and the salary is 27,500. You can check this exercise in the attached sheet 1, and you have an additional exercise in the attached sheet 2. Please do that exercise also. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel for getting more videos on required knowledge for economic, trade and investment analysis. Thank you.